warm good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So let's start the topic. So today's topic is human anatomy, and we are starting with the introduction, that is, what is anatomy? As anatomy is defined as the study of the structure of the human body. It is closely related to physiology, and physiology is defined as the study of the functions of the human body. So coming to the next part, what are the divisions of anatomy? First is gross anatomy and second is microscopic anatomy, as these are the structures that can be seen with the naked eyes. Mainly it includes muscles, ligaments, bone and various tissues and organs. The second division of anatomy is microscopic anatomy. Here the structures are cannot be seen with the naked eyes, and there is a need to use a microscope to see the structures. Basically, it is further classified into two categories. First is cytology. It is defined as the study of the cell. And second is the histology, where it is defined as the study of tissues. So coming to the next topic, that is what are the humans made up of? It is composed of different types of elements. As first, it is formed by the elemental composition of the human body, and in which hydrogen forms 62% of the total human body weight, and oxygen constitute about 26% of the human body weight, and carbon constitute about 10%, while nitrogen constitute about 1.5%, and the rest are the other elements, in which different types of elements. First is calcium, which constitute about 0.2%, and phosphorus, which constitute about 0.2%. Potassium constitute about 0.06%, and same the sodium is also constitute with the same percentage, and the sulfur constitute about 0.05%, and chlorine here consists of 0.04%. Magnesium occupies 0.03%, and iron constitute about 0.0005%, and where the iodine, which is highly negligible, and these are the trace elements. Then coming to the second part, which is known as the molecular composition of the human body, as these are the complex molecules which are present in the human body. As in human body there is 67% of the water, and protein constitute about 20% of the whole body composition, and lipids constitute about 10%, while rest are compensated by the carbohydrates with the 3% of the composition. So guys, hope so you all understand very well, and for more information please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then, take care, goodbye, farewell, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon.